World Environment Day is celebrated across the world on 5th June every year. Since 1974, World Environment Day is the most remarkable day for environmental action. The UN Environment Programme organizes events for Environment Day every year to encourage worldwide awareness and action for the protection of the environment. In 1974, the first World Environment Day was celebrated with the theme Only One Earth. Since then, World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and various activities for awareness and protection of the environment are carried out. In the following years, WED has developed as a platform to raise awareness on the problems facing our environment, such as air pollution, plastic pollution, illegal wildlife trade, sustainable consumption, sea level increase, and food security, among others. Furthermore, WED helps drive change in consumption patterns and in national and international environmental policy. In 1987, it was decided to rotate the host of Environment Day activities by selecting a host country for the Environment Day activities and celebration. So this year, World Environment Day 2021 will be celebrated as usual on 5th June across the world, and the host country is Pakistan. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. So ecosystem restoration denotes assisting in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded by activities like pollution and deforestation. Ecosystem reforestation can also be promoted by conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Healthy ecosystem and rich biodiversity yield greater benefits such as more fertile soils, bigger yields of fish and timber. So every year, responsibility is given to a country to host the event and provide a platform to discuss sustainable development goals. So let us see, why will Pakistan host World Environment Day this year? In 2014, the government of Pakistan began a massive afforestation drive through a billion trees tsunami. The ambitious project including restoring mangroves, increasing forest cover, and planting trees in urban settings. Recently, Pakistan has launched a new platform called the Ecosystem Restoration Fund. This is to create green jobs, support nature-based solutions to fight climate change, and promote biodiversity conservation. Now let's briefly talk about the theme of the World Environment Day 2021. So the theme is ecosystem restoration, which can happen by actively planting trees or by removing pressures on the ecosystem, by protecting the environment and reducing the increasing level of pollution. So the theme caters to the emotion reimagine, recreate, and restore. So for too long, we have been exploiting and destroying our planet's ecosystems. Every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch. As much as 50% of our coral reefs have already been lost, and up to 90% of this could be lost by 2050, even if global warming is limited to an increase of just 1.5 degrees Celsius. So ecosystem loss is depriving the world of carbon sinks at a time humanity can least afford it. So global greenhouse gas emissions have grown for 3 consecutive years, and the planet is one pace for potentially catastrophic climatic change. The emergence of the current pandemic has also shown just how disastrous the consequences of ecosystem loss can be. By shrinking the area of natural habitat for animals, we have created ideal conditions for pathogens to spread. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting, and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it. This World Environment Day will kick off the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, which is going to be observed between 2021 and 2030. And this decade would aim to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystems on every continent and in every ocean. It can help to end poverty, combat climate change, and prevent a mass extinction. It will only succeed if everyone plays a part. Only with healthy ecosystems.
Respected fathers, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am standing here to speak some words on the topic World Environment Day. I have specially selected this topic because of its much importance in a better future. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. World Environment Day is a day celebrated to know and solve the environmental issues. Our Earth is in the most dangerous situation because of air, water and soil pollution. During this COVID pandemic, we all are at home, so we can plant some trees in our home itself. World Environment Day is celebrated with great joy in more than 100 countries. We must celebrate World Environment Day by planting trees. It is quite simple to conserve our earth today for our future generation. We cannot be so selfish by using all the resources by ourselves. It is our duty to conserve our earth by planting more trees and by not cutting them. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.
This is my snake plant or Sansevieria plant. It produces oxygen and clean the air.
This is a sapodilla tree called sapota or chiku. We have planted this 2 years before and now it's bearing lot of fruits.
On June 5, it is celebrated as the World Environment Day. So save the country in the middle of a tree. Here I planted curry leaf. It has carbohydrates, fiber, calcium, vitamins like A, B, C and E.
Hi everyone, this is my little garden. Let me introduce some of the plants. There are different types of trees, flowers, etc. This is mango tree. I like mangoes very much. There are some mangoes too. Then I had hanged some of the hanging plants too. This is spider plant, cotton plants, rose flowers, zinnia, begonia and portulaca. Portulaca is also known as 10 o'clock plant because it blooms only when the sunshine mood is on. Me and my family are taking care of it. My sister and I would water plants every day. I would talk to my plants every day. My mother helped me in gardening too. I love my garden very much. Thank you.
Beautiful Mother Nature. Trees and plants everywhere I go with many hues of green. There are flowers everywhere I go, standing out in the greenery. There are roses, there are lilies, with bees happily feeding its sweet nectar. Butterflies are here and there, flying joyfully in the summer breeze. The white clouds in the blue sky and the fish in the deep blue sea. The peaceful river never ends, with the flock of sheep grazing in the fields. There is nothing more beautiful than Mother Nature and all of its beautiful creatures. Thank you.